Hello guys, welcome back to my channel this morning. And in this video I just want to show us how I have placed a successful trade using the support and resistance level. Okay, that is what I'm using right now to make this trade, and I just want to show us how it looks like and how I make my entry, okay, with this strategy. Okay, now support and resistance, they are very important area in the market, very important area in the market. We can't do without considering support and resistance, and support and resistance is something that most traders ignore, especially traders that use indicators, that use robots. They so much ignore this area of support and resistance, which is not supposed to be so. Okay, so support and resistance is what is very important market. It shows areas where market is likely to get rejected, where market is likely to start pulling back from. You understand? So at the level of resistance, we expect the market to sell from those points, and at the level of support, we expect the market to buy from those points. Okay, so that is just the simple of support and resistance. So look at my trade at this point here. Let me bring out my arrow so that I can explain that to you. Okay, so you can see that the market has been acting so much at this level here. You can see we can even count this. Okay, we can count this, but let's just start counting from this area here. Here is what, here is the first area where market got rejected. Okay, market have to come back again, is to get rejected, come back again, get rejected, come back again, rejected, and here is the fourth time where market is rejecting this level. Okay, so it means that if you first found a level like this, or a level like this, or let's say a level like this, because this looks very obvious right now that it is a resistance level. Okay, so you want to make your entry at a level like this. Okay, now when it comes to entry, I use two ways of entering the market. I can use candlestick information to use as my signal to sell, and I can use aggressive entry. Okay, so the candlestick information is that I want to see maybe like any of the reversal pattern, like the morning star. No, for the resistance level we'll make use of the evening star, bearish pin bar, and the bearish engulfing pattern. Those are the three main reversal patterns that I use for bearish movement. Okay, then for the bullish movement, I make use of morning star, make use of the bullish pin bar, and I make use of the bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, so I make use of these two methods depending on how clear I see a setup in the market. You understand? If the setup is very obvious and looks very nice, though no setup is nice, because as nice as that setup, it may not still go in your direction. You understand that? So, but sometimes I make use of that. So at this point here, you can see that even though you want to enter as an aggressive trader, or you want to enter with candlestick information, you can still see that you will move the market monthly down to this level here, right? So you can see that we have a bullish pin, a bearish pin bar over there, one here. This is what another bearish pin bar here. So these two things already shows that this market is going to pull down, and you are good to sell at this level here. Okay, so market keep moving down and still keep rejected at this level here. Now when market return back to this place, I cited that, I make my analysis, and I make up my mind to take the trade from here. I enter with aggressive entry. Like I've said that, depending on how good the setup is, here it's obvious level for me. This is 4 hours time frame, and so it's very obvious for me. You can see that it is obvious that market is going to get rejected here, though I'm not 100% sure, but you can see how good the setup is, that it's clearly showing that market has been rejecting this level. Okay, or let's say this level has been rejecting what the market for like 1 2 3 4. So the market bouncing there now clearly give me that mindset that market is likely to sell from that point. So I have to enter with aggressive entry. So what I make use at this level is what is aggressive entry. Now when you're trying to make use of aggressive entry, either you are entering immediately the market is touching this point here. Let me put a line there so that we can see that. So either you are making your entry at this point here, immediately the market is getting there. Okay, you are making your entry. You are not allowing the candlestick to close. Oh, don't allow the candlestick to close. Let's assume that I enter after this candlestick closed. Then that means my entry should be at this point here. You understand? But I enter while this particular candle is still forming. This particular green candle here. I enter while it's still what? It's still forming, and that is why you can see my entry to be here. Okay, so either you entered here, immediately the market trend to this point at this level here, or what, or you let it trend to the middle of whatever you have drawn. Okay, whatever you have drawn to capture the level where you want the market to get to before reversing, which is what exactly what I have here. So either you let it get to the middle somewhere around here, or you just let it to get in small. Now let me share you the benefit of taking it here and the benefit of taking it here. Okay, so if you use aggressive entry and you pick your entry to be from the middle, okay, it gives you a little SL. Like your SL will not be too wide, your entry will not be too far from SL. So let's assume that I enter the market from somewhere around here, which is kind of the middle. Okay, so let's assume that I enter the market from somewhere around here. So my SL is going to be kind of around this level here. Okay, so look at it. So my entry here, my SL here. Now if I should now enter this market from this level here, now look at my SL. Of course my SL should still be at that level. Okay, so look at my SL and look at my entry. You can see that I have what? I now have what? A wide SL. Okay, so if you entered at the middle, it helps you to have what? Kind of little SL, not too wide SL. And if you enter from immediately at this point here, your SL may be too wide. Okay, and don't go in if that SL is wide or SL is not wide, and that should not stop you from placing the SL at the right position. Okay, so always make sure you place the SL at the right position. Either is making it wide or is making it small, except you don't want to throw it that way. Okay, so that is what matters in there. So here right now, here is where I place my TP. Okay, I hope you understand how I make my entry from that point and why I sell from that point now. Okay, so here right now you can see that my TP is here. Previously my TP was around this level. I don't know what makes me place my TP at that level in the first place, but after a while I have to look into the market again. I was like, no, that is a very wrong area to place my SL, to place my TP. Okay, my TP is good here if you ask me, but don't doubt a level like this. Why I say so is that the market can even get to this point here and reverse without touching your TP. Yes, you can, as you can see that market acted at that area for so long. It only got broken once after what we have here, and this level start forming. The market only break through from this level only once, and which is this time where it came to test this level here before pulling back so long to this point. So you can see that since that time that this market has broken this level, market has kept respecting that level. So don't look down on this level. Don't say the market is coming back to this level. Market may come back to this level, but you won't know that because the market can still keep respecting this level. You need to treat every of your support and resistance so well. You need to treat it well, whether the support and resistance is small, whether it's obvious or not obvious. Don't overlook it. Market will always respect that level. Something must take place in that level. I always tell people that when market gets your support or resistance, two things is likely to happen: either reverse from those level, or what, or keep going down or up from those level, depending on either support or resistance, whichever level it is. Okay, so don't treat it as nothing is going to happen, let's overlook it. No, don't overlook those levels. Those levels are what? They are very, very important in the market. Okay, so and that is why I have decided to place my TP at this level. So when market get to this level, I'll be out of the market. I enter like 5 position. This is volatile 75. It is not too volatile. Most of the time, I enter. Sometimes I enter up to like 20 position on this volatile 75. Sometimes I enter up to like 15 positions or 10 positions. You understand? Depending on your account, this market is not too volatile. You understand? But it's look volatile anytime I enter a lot of positions. You understand? And what I do most of the time with this in market is that I try to flip. Sometimes I can just put some like maybe $30 or $20, and I'll just have to, okay, I want to flip this money, and I'll just enter a lot of positions like that. You understand? Most of the time market will go in my direction, but just because I'm in with a lot of position, I may be taken out. And most of the time it will go in my direction, and I'm going to win that trade. I may just decided to have it like maybe $2 each, and I'll close it. But it's that is if I want to flip. But if I want to trade normally, I don't go in more than 5 positions. Okay, and the market most times play well in my direction. All right, so that is how I entered this trade, and the trade moved in successfully for me. So always looking for the market. When you find a setup like this, have this courage, have this mind to enter the trade. Okay, the market that will go in your direction will still go in your direction. Okay, don't allow greediness to rule over you, one, and don't be too scared of entering the market. If you do not enter the market, you won't know the market is going to your direction. So make sure you take that bold step, that okay, you want to go into this trade. You understand? You want to go into and go with positive mindset. Okay, and you will surely come out successful. All right, and that is it. And even though the market didn't still go in your direction, that does not mean next time you're not going to try it. You still need to try until you master it. All right, so that is what I plan to show us. So right now, what I'll be expecting from this market is that after market it's my TP. Okay, either it get rejected from this level, going back to where it's coming from, or break this level to this point. Yeah, so when market reach this point here, I'll still be looking for a buying opportunity, because here we can see we have obvious support level here. So I still expect the market to bounce here, and once it touch here, we'll move it up. So I'll be dropping the this analysis again if the market get to this level, or in the analysis group. Okay guys, I keep making videos these days, and I keep telling you guys that I have analysis group, and that group, what we do in that group is what we drop setups. We alert people when in time there is setup in the market, and people take the opportunities. Okay, that is what I always do in the analysis group. So check in the description of this video. You are going to see the link to get to me, and we discuss on how you can join the analysis group, and you can start seeing a lot of setups in the market. Okay, so guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This channel, please don't forget to subscribe to it. Let's grow this channel. Okay, I'm so grateful for all the 100 families in my channel. Okay, you guys are so wonderful, and please keep sharing the video, keep telling your friends, let them keep subscribing, and let's keep growing this channel, and more videos that can help you trade the synthetic market successfully will be coming your way. Okay, please give me thumbs up if you like my video, and subscribe. Okay, subscribe and remain blessed. All right, so that was all I want to share with us in this video, and bye for now. Thank you very much.